Good morning, everybody. We got a little bit of green future, but we still haven't broke out of the yesterday range yet. Economic data. The most important thing today is that at 1 p.m. we have 20-year bond auction. That's the only key information. And the other thing I love about today is that the 4 hour is golden cross. But keep in mind, last few days, last few 2 weeks, 1 week, we had many times, golden cross, dead cross. It's all about opening actions. And keep in mind, in bear market does open strong, and then it fades and goes lower. So we'll see if it's gonna be a trap or what's gonna be. Um, Going to show both side levels, so we'll see what's be ready for prepared for both scenario. Pre-market right now, 5 is golden crossing upward, 15 is curved up, 30 on 1 hour is upward. um 4 hour, as I mentioned, I love it that it's golden cross and we got yellow bars, but it's still in general daily and weekly are very bearish downward. 5068 on the ES is a key level to watch. It almost touched it down this morning and it bounced back up. So if it anytime you see it break, not gonna be good, and lower it can go, but it's a critical point. It can bounce or it can consolidate around it. NQ 5 and 15:31 hours upward, 4 hours near golden cross, but it's still, as I mentioned, and same like ES, daily and weekly is downward. In general, you want to wait until we get a daily MACD golden cross, or at least a yellow bar on a TTM squeeze on daily, until we have a reliable bull market again, reliable run-ups again. Otherwise, still any chance, there's still a lot high chance anytime it fails and goes lower. Dow Jones, still very bearish on daily and weekly. RUT, daily weekly still very bearish there. DXY 4 hour is a little bit pointing down, but it's just up and down between one these two levels. Need to break these two levels one to have a bigger effect on market. 10-year a little bit red, still super bullish on daily and weekly. Pre-market showing some weakness, that's good. The lower it goes, good for small caps and other rest of the market. General trend right now, pre-market is downward on the 15:30 and 1 hour. Wicks, we got 3% lower. It's funny, this 1812 is just a very, very, very critical level. Every time it passes this, market goes higher. And yesterday was same thing. Like every time it passed 1812, market jumped up higher, then went above it, then we had a fall again. So keep an eye on 1812. If it let it go, if so far is letting it go, 1764, 1726, those are the next key level. Below 1726, market can get more squeezy. If it goes above 1812, those are a higher level. 4 hour in general is dead cross, so that's giving a hope that maybe market goes for a little more bounce up, but it's still a general trend is very upward on the daily and weekly. um SPX, so 5080 is a key level to watch. If it does pass that one, we can run up to 5089, 5098. Above that, though, if it goes for a squeeze, 5111, 5128. BTC halving is getting close. They say it's 2 days away, I think. But weekly curve down. My personal opinion, nothing special is gonna happen from now on for the halving. It's so crowded. There's so many people in it. There's so many sellers, so many buyers. So it's probably gonna stay, around these levels for now, and then we'll see. Probably gonna go into rest period. Was too hot last few months. ETH weekly MACD is near dead cross. 3K is the key level, key mental level. If it breaks that one, not gonna be good there. ETF on Ethereum is too far away, seems like. Apple was a disaster yesterday. It opened and it fell down. It jumped a little bit and then it was very weak. Start getting weak and it had a big dump. Premiums, far out premiums on the longer dates, they all got crushed after the breakout. And as you can see, most of the run up that it had last week is already lost it. But right now, 1 hour MACD is golden cross. So if you see some sign on the 4 hour, maybe it does a fast round up, or maybe it's gonna do some consolidation, then go up again. The fact that had a big jump last week, it says that investors are getting ready to jump on this one. In general, my personal opinion, I don't think it's gonna have a good earning, but pre-earning maybe does have a another good pre-earning run up. So, but for now, hovering around 169.85. I need to pass 179 for 171.47 for another run up to the higher level. If 168.71 can hold it, back to the lower level 167 and 166.15. Amazon still holding up and only 5 points lower than the all-time high. 4 hour we got yellow bar a little bit curved down. General trend is still down on the daily, and MACD's dead cross, so need to pay attention to the key level of 185.35. If it passes that one, we can run up again 186, 188. If 182 can hold it, back to 180. Nvidia gapping up open. ASML earning wasn't good. I mean, it was okay, but not so much hope there. It shows that they are slowing down, and ASML know that they are chip creators, so they're the cheap machine creators. So if they are slowing down, there's two things: either just a temporary slowdown and later goes up, or no, maybe it's a top for the chip making machines, and maybe they have already enough machines. So we'll see. Semis not crushing so far, so they're holding up. But if 880, 877 can hold it, they can run down to 871, 866, 863. If 885 pass, we're looking at 891 next key level. Above that, we're looking at 896, 903, and 911. I like that the 4 hour MACD is golden cross, 1 hour direction is upward, but need to see opening actions, see where it's gonna go. AVGO started showing strength yesterday. 1 hour got a golden cross and it was running up. So next key level to watch is 1341. If it does pass that one, 1345, 1352, 1359. 4 hour is curved up, but I don't like that the TTM squeeze has red bars like this. If 33 can hold it, back to 25 and 20. Coin was very strong yesterday. It was very dumpy at open, but it had a nice run up into the close. It went to almost 223, but since BTC is cooling down right now and went red again, right now is a coin affecting coin. I like that the 4 hour got a yellow bar, but generally right now 1530 is downward. So 217.49 is support. If you can hold it, back to 214, 212, and if it goes below 212, those are the lower levels. Need to get above 220.5 to run up to 222, 226, and 230. Netflix earning is coming up. It starts showing some strength yesterday. It was very interesting at open, had a very nice jump up, and it's possible to go for a pre-earning run up. 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so keep an eye on 623.99, 624. That's a pre-market high. Past that one, we're looking at 625, 628. If 628 breaks it, it can get crazier and go 631, 636, and 641. This one earning is coming up, so it's all about that. Meta. 4 hour is getting near golden cross. We got yellow bars. 1 hour is 30 and 1 hour is upward. So key level to watch is 503 and 501. If 503.98 pass, we're looking at 507, 511, 514. If 501.57 can hold, back to 499, 497. It was very, very yo-yo yesterday, so it's still not clear direction. 497, if it can hold it, back to 491. That's the next major level. Tesla, just come on. Tesla is just getting crazy. It's just getting sold very bad. I don't like that the daily MACD is dead cross, weekly is downward. This one, if earning is not good, it can get close to 100. Best is to avoid it. Let's see what's going to be the earning. 158.95, that's a key level. If it does pass that one, can go for recovery. 161, 166, those are the next major. If 156, 154 are support. If 154 breaks anytime before earning, we're looking at 149, 146 next major level. Microsoft got an upgrade, and here's the thing, what's interesting is yesterday AMD, SMCI, they got an upgrade, and AMD had a little bit run up. SMCI had a crazy run up. Microsoft got an upgrade today, so that's why it's gapping up 2 points. And keep an eye on 418. Past that one, 420 can come. Above 420 can run up to the the higher level, 421, 424, 427. So upgrades is still working in this weak bear market right now. If 416, 415 can hold it, those are the next support levels to watch. Google is still holding up very strong compared to many other names saying like Amazon, but in general daily MACD is dead cross. Still don't have a dark blue bar on the weekly. If it runs up 155 58, 156 68, above that those are the higher level. If 154 can hold it, those are the next support level. AMD, AMD 164.46, that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, 165, 167, and 170.12. If 162, 161 can hold it, back to 158, 156. Generally right now 15-30 1 hour is upward, so if you see Nvidia and all the semis run, this one can go even higher. Boeing, nothing special about Boeing. I'm about to replace Boeing in my regular names. SPY, it's all about 505.95. That's the high of the range yesterday. You can see here it was just up and down between 503 and 505.95. So if 505.95 breaks, we're looking at 406.74, 407.75. That's the next major level. Above 507, if it breaks at any time this week, we're looking at 509, 511, 513. If 503 can hold it, next majors are 499.75, 496.45. As I mentioned, 4-hour MACD is golden cross, but bear market, don't forget, open is strong, then it can fade. It's possible to fade. So QQQ, same thing, 4-hour MACD is golden cross, 432.79. If it passed that one, 434.79, 436.79. If 431.55 can hold it, then we're looking at 428, 425, and lower level. Next major level is 423. What else you got here? Let me see any gap up. SMCI is all about 1012. Pre-market high is 1006, so watch that one. If it does break that one, 1012 is a key level. Breaks, so we're looking at 1017, 1026, 1034. Above that, next major levels are 1041, 1052, 1063. Pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour is pointing down, 15 and 30 pointing down. 1 hour we got a dark blue bar, but it's still very bullish on the 4 hour. And daily MACD is curving up. Earning is coming close, most likely in 2 weeks, and so yeah, it's all about 1012. Breaks that one, bigger run up comes. But if you see 980 and 960 can't hold it, then it's gonna be a fail, run up and go down again. What else you got here? That's pretty much it on the major names. ASML, weekly MACD is curved down, earning not good, so weekly MACD most likely is going to be a dead cross. 926 if it can hold it, 914, 903, 895. It is possible to touch 900 today, but 15 MACD is golden cross, so keep an eye on 945. If it passes that one, if you see 30 minutes MACD golden cross, can run back up and recover 961, 976. LRCX going down because of ASML2. Right now 8950. If it can hold it, back to 931 and lower level. Need to get above 962 for recovery higher. What else you got here? UAL, crazy earning, 44.72, 46.04. Those are the next major level. SPY is continuing going up. Let me just see here. GS, what's the special? No, nothing. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, please like and subscribe the video. If you like, you can join Said Option Service, and have a lovely day.